would be a really cool thing to get this and then make a banger with it.
Oh,
Like a challenge?
yeah.
The hip hop EJ challenge?
2 hours later.
Oh, let's get this, man. We're gonna get this bread. The artwork is like really on point. There's 233 rap vocals up in this bitch.
Maybe there's something good in there.
like drop vocals. Thank you for your payment. Okay, your EJ shop order is now complete. I guess I'm the only person buying this like in the last 10 years. Yeah.
Take a look.
Okay. First, guys, we need some kicks in here.
They sound so crap.
These. Oh man. It's the kick. Man, this is turning out better than I expected.
Nice.
Some distortion on this. That's cool.
Dude!
There's actually a pretty cool snare. Oh, this is nice. Let's go. Okay, I want that. So the hardest thing will be because I hear like a heavy distorted bass line under this, and this will be hard. Then just put the subword on this. This is hard. What key are we in?
No!
I think this one.
No!
Isn't it just? So, yeah, this is going great. Oh, that's like maybe cool for hype. Oh man, this is going to be crazy, guys. I see it.
Oh! Shit's fire, dude! room in front of it, or yes. There you go.
Or just like.
Whoa!
Yeah, that's it. Let's go.
Oh!
That's fire, man.
Oh!
What is going on here? Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, there. It needs to stop for a minute. The bass needs to pitch down here. Like, go up there, please.
Daft Punk in the house.
Let's go, man. I built a pretty crazy preset. It's called OTT Army. It consists of 20 OTTs.
What? What? Are you killing me? What? Dude!
It's like, you know...
That's a killer bass filler sound.
What the fuck? This is kind of cool.
Bro. I wish this was doing dun 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 dun.
Ah, like, yeah, like kind of re-triggering.
Like a easy thing.
Gang, 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 gang.
Yeah!
Like a weird curve, maybe. I don't know. It's moving. Yeah, something. Yeah. This one is crazy. Yeah.
Bro.
Oh man.
Finished. Let's get some rap in here. Some riggedy.
Get up!
Get up!
Take a look. Yeah. It ain't where you're from, it ain't where you're at. I'ma tell you, son, it's the same, that's a fact. Coming from another plane, the spaceship. But it's all good, cause you know I take a trip. Coming from another plane, the spaceship. But it's all good, cause you know I take a trip.
I think our little thingy here got pretty cool.